Okay, so in the previous video, I showed you the products that we needed. In this video, I'm just going to get into making the handmaids, all right? So we're going to tug it to the right just a little and then pull towards you. Okay, give it a good little pinch at the bottom. It spreads it apart really good, and dip it in the lash glue. I'm wearing a glue ring like I described in my last video. And boom, there's a good lash fan right there. Okay, so I'm gonna place that down, and we're gonna kind of like zoom in and let you see those fans, especially the one I just made right here. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna do it again. And so if you have to wipe this off, that's completely fine. Use some disposable paper. That should be fine. So tug it to the right a little bit and then pull towards you, and then give it a little pinch at the bottom. Boom. Dip it in that good old lash glue. There's another fan. Okay. Make sure there's no glue. Okay, now we're gonna come back here and say we want a little more of a fan, more of a thicker fan. You're just gonna pull out more lash hair. So we made a thicker fan. We just pulled more hair towards us. And boom, there's another fan. So that's about it. So you're just gonna pull to the right a little bit and then start pulling a bunch towards you, depending on how much of a lash fan you want. And then do the pinch method. And then dip. Now this is a fast drying glue, so take your time. With practice, you'll get it. If it's a fan you don't like, don't worry about using it. But you know, with practice, you get better and better. Alrighty.